Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see how to fix table or view does not exist error in Informatica. So I'm just going to save this mapping and I will run this workflow. Session got failed and I'm going to check the error now. I am going to check the session log now. You have to right click on the session and click on the get session log and you have to press E. You can see there is an error, table or view does not exist. So now I will show you what can be the cause of this issue if the table already exists. You have to open the workflow manager and here you have to double click on the session. Go to mapping section. Here you need to check if you have given the connections properly or not. So here you can see in the sources connection I have given target DB, but this table exists in source DB schema. So that is why it was unable to find the table. It was giving the error table view does not exist. So here I am going to change it to the source DB. I will click on OK and I will apply and OK. Here you need to check the target's connection also, if it is correct or not. In the target DB this table already there, so it means OK. In the same way you have to check the source connection, target connection, or if you are using any lookup transformation or any transformation in which you are using any table. So here I'm using lookup transformation. Here you have to give the connections properly. Either you are using any oracle table or you are using any connection variable. For lookup, you can set the connection into mapping designer area. You have to open the lookup. Here you can see connection information. You need to select the connection and click on OK. Or what you can do is you can override the connection. In workflow manager, here you need to select the transformation, lookup transformation, and you need to select the connection. Or you can use connection variable also. Here you need to give the connection variable name and click on OK. Here this table exists in target DB schema, so I will use object target DB and I will click on apply and OK. Now I am going to save this session. I will run the session now. Now you can see session got succeeded. So what you have to do is you have to set up the connections for sources, for targets, and if you are using any lookup transformation, you have to set up the connection. Then you have to save the changes and run the workflow so that it can find the tables. If this video is useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.